Dignitaries and research scholars present over here. I am Ganpat Jalindar Tag, a research student, Department of English, School of Languages and Literature, पुण्यश्लोक अहिल्यादेवी होळकर, Solapur, University Solapur, India. First of all, I would like to thank my supervisor, Dr. Parmeshwar Lakshman Rao Suryanshi, for guiding me to the best throughout my research, and I would also like to express my gratitude towards the organizer and convener of this conference for providing me opportunity to present my research paper. I am here for presenting the research paper entitled as Social History and Enduring Relationship with Transgender described in G. Thiel's Narcopolis. Abstract: Social History of Bombay. The present paper is dealing with history of Bombay from 1970s to 2000. It is described its slums, poverty, distribution, deprivation and addiction. Then enduring relationship with transgender. Dimple is a transgender who comes from poor family and work as a opium pipe maker and also sex worker. She had a good relation with her customer. She believed that opium pipe and sex are antidote for any pain. G. Thiel's Narcopolis. G. Thiel is an Indian poet, novelist, journalist and musician who presents reality of Bombay in his debut autobiographical novel Narcopolis. The main character of Narcopolis is Dimple, who always says women and men are words other people use, but not for me. I am not sure what am I. I am neither woman nor man, or I am nothing. She is a central character in the novel who is an opium pie maker and sex worker in the Shuklaji street. And keywords: social, history, enduring, relationship, love, transgender, Narcopolis, etc. Narcopolis. This is the cover page of Narcopolis. A picture of Dimple, half man and half woman, and opium pipe, and it is like a poison of the snake. Introduction. Indian English literature has a great tradition and culture. Most of the Indian authors like Rabindranath Tagore, Rajarao, Mulk Raj Anand, R.K. Narayan, Salman Rushdie, Kiran Nagarkar, Arvind Adiga and G. Thiel, who tries to present social history and culture of India in their writing. Then we have to see life and works of G. Thiel. G. Thiel, born in Kerala and educated at New York, Hong Kong and Bombay, worked as a journalist and famous poet. He has awarded Sahitya Academy for his collection of poems These Errors Are Correct. His debut autobiographical novel Narcopolis was shortlisted for the Man Booker Prize in 2012. He has written other 3 novels like The Book of Chocolate Saint in 2017, Low in 2020 and The Names of Women in 2012. He also awarded many literary awards. He is very popular among the Indian writing in English. Social history. G. Thiel intends to highlight the social transformation of old Bombay from 1970s onward. Bombay has received enormous attention to colonial city and city of various trade and commerce over the last 3 decades. Multicultural society lives in Bombay. Bombay is a place where welcome all communities. Most of the young people who comes from all over the world in search of work, and here all person have the job according to their skills. But at the time of 1970s and 80s, many workers who lived in slums and gutters. Jeet Heil also point out the cosmopolitan character. He calls Bombay Narcopolis, which implies city of narcotic or city of intoxicating. He introduced Dimple, a transgender and sex worker, to antidote for her pain caused by construction in childhood. In this novel, various places are mentioned like Shuklaji Street, where prostitute or sex worker are waiting for their customer. The Shuklaji Streets, on that road, many workers live in slums and gutters described in Narcopolis. Then we have to discuss about history of Dimple. Dimple is belong from poor family who comes from Bombay in search of work and settle there. Then social life of the people who lives in slums and gutter of Bombay are miserable. People who get addict of drugs and sex who antidote from their pain. Then we have to discuss about enduring relationship with transgender. Dimple's deep love and relation with customer. Dimple is very lovable character in the novel who is transgender. So she didn't fear about anything. She had grief. She had sent to Bombay. She belonged to poor family in search of condition. She found the solution to live and she had made good relation with her customer. She lives to Mr. Lee as a father and the narrator as a good friend, and Rashid as a boss who is owner of the opium den. She also gets addiction of drugs and sex. She always says drug and sex is the way of relief and relax. One can victory over their problem with the help of these. So opium pipe and sex are for antidote for pain. Then we come to conclusion. In short, the present research paper is serious paper which is present social history of Bombay and enduring relationship with Dimple, transgender since 1970s. The novel is a truly impressive achievement of the author Jeet Heil. Thank you for patience.